Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can turn off the waiting rooms feature for your Zoom meetings in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, if you'd like to disable the waiting rooms in general for all of your upcoming or future meetings, you will need to access your account settings, and not via the Zoom application, but through the Zoom web app. Here, so once you're inside the Zoom web app with your account, navigate to your account settings on the left hand side, expand them, navigate to settings, and here switch from the general tab to the meeting tab. And here scroll down till you get to the waiting room, which is here, and you may enable or disable these, for example. So I would like to turn them off, and as you can see, these settings will then be updated instantly and automatically, without you needing to, for example, click into any save button. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.